In a small town down in Arkansas, where the river flows, there's a man with a passion that everybody knows. He's got a collection that'll make you stare. Vintage pocket knives laid with tender care. Buck knives gleaming under that old porch light. He'll tell their stories deep into the night. Reviews and torture tests, it's a sight to see. HGZDC, living wild and free. Pocket knife dreams carved from steel, spinning tales that time can't steal. Handcrafted memories neath the southern sky. Living in the past, let those blades fly high. Red's his favorite, light the fire in his soul. Arkansas proud, even the hills take a stroll. Each blade a piece of history in his hand. In a world gone digital, he makes his stand. He finds the beauty in rusted steel and bone, carving out a space where in the hills take a stroll. Each blade a piece of history in his hand. In a world gone digital, he makes his stand. He finds the beauty in rusted steel and bone, carving out a space where he's never alone. Subscribers join him on this timeless quest. Together